Let's create space in your lower back by mobilizing the sacroiliac joint. Lying on the floor, feet about hip width apart, arms outstretched, you're going to bring your feet together and roll your knees to the right hand side. You should feel a nice stretch across the lumbar spine, and if you want to increase it, then look towards your opposite hand. So looking to left, knees to the right. Slow, controlled breathing, just for about 30-40 seconds. A lovely static stretch. And then bring your feet up, feet still together, knees together, and roll those knees to your left. Again, looking to the right if you want to increase that stretch. This shouldn't be painful, but it should feel like a good stretch. Breathing slowly in and out for about 30 seconds. And bringing the knees back together. Now let's upgrade that stretch. So if you find your knees are quite high off the ground, bring the same side hand onto the outside of the knees, and you're going to push your knees into your hand for 10 seconds. Inhale, exhale, and as you exhale, relaxing, and then you'll find you can go deeper into that stretch. And just pause there for 10-20 seconds. And then you can repeat that move, so pushing up into the hand for 10 seconds. Inhale, and as you exhale, letting the back go, letting the knees drop further towards the floor, and then hold that last stretch for 30 seconds. Coming back to middle. And of course, doing that on both sides. You may find that you're tighter on one side more than the other. And another variation here, so feet mat width apart, and then dropping the knees to the right and dropping them to the left. So a dynamic mobilizer here. And you'll feel this hits different muscles in the hips and the lower back with that wide-footed stance. Knees to the left. Exhale, knees to the right. Inhale, knees to the left. And exhale, knees to the right. Feel free to hold the stretch either on the left or right. So to summarize this SI sacroiliac joint mobilization for the lower back, you're going to lie down with your knees bent and start with the feet together. Gently drop the knees to one side and rotate the head to the opposite side, looking at that opposite hand, and hold for 15-30 seconds. Repeat, but to the opposite side, dropping those knees to the left, looking to the right, and hold. Again, feel free to play with this. If you're quite restricted on one side, try that contract, relax technique where the knees will push up into your resisted hand, and as you exhale, letting them go deeper into the stretch. Try the wide foot. Try it dynamic, like in this video, slowly on the inhale going right, exhale going left. And equally feel free to hold it as a static stretch for 15-30 seconds. Find what feels good. This should be in a pain-free range, but should feel like it's doing good. And breathe slowly and calmly to reinforce that this is good for your body. Good luck!